Hey there, it's Leigh from 4 Patriots. Spooky season is here, y'all. In this next episode of our Survival Mom series, we're showing you how to have a ghoulishly fun time this Halloween while being safe and surviving the zombie apocalypse. Just kidding on the zombie part. Before I get to the scary stuff, please hit the subscribe button on our channel and don't forget to tap that little bell right next to it. You'll get notifications each time we post a new video, like your own personal reminder. Okay, let's talk about surviving Halloween, especially trick-or-treating and having a stabbingly good time doing it. Before the neighborhood fun begins, your little goblins might want to expend a little energy with some cool toys. We're Star Wars nerds in our house, so of course we have to have at least a few lightsabers hanging around. You guys ready for a Jedi showdown? Yeah! But it's hard to defend the galaxy when your lightsaber is out of juice. No one wants to be the death of the party when it comes to fun. And that's why we love the USB Rechargeable Battery Kit. You'll get 4 different kinds of rechargeable batteries to choose from and a convenient docking station. So whether you've got a lightsaber that takes AAA batteries or this fantastic animated candy bowl that takes AA's, you've got it covered. And these batteries come in a handy plastic clamshell case for tidy storage when the last witch and warlock has gone home. Now, it's dark and time for everyone's favorite Halloween tradition, trick-or-treating. Trick-or-treat! And even though we know our neighborhood, we want to be extra safe out there, especially at night. And that's why I'm taking the So Lantern with us tonight to light our way and help us avoid any trips, spills, or falls. It's solar charged, super lightweight, and it can easily clip onto my bag or backpack. Rumor has it that this little light is great for keeping vampires away too. Plus, So Lantern's light is bright but not harsh and lasts at least 12 hours on a single charge. That means we'll not only get through Halloween with all the light we need, but we'll be well into November before the sky fades out. I've even got some extras so I can give it to the bigger kids if they want to go a little further out. And speaking of must-have devices for trick-or-treating, this next little gadget is a lifeline for your phone. If you, your spouse, or your kids get split up during festivities, you'll want to stay connected. But that's hard to do if your phone is a dead ringer. The Patriot Power Cell is a pocket-sized power plant that's solar, meaning you can charge it in the sun during the day to keep your phone's battery alive at night. You also wouldn't want to miss the chance to take a bunch of photos of all your favorite ghosts and monsters in their costumes, right? This solar charger can also charge 2 devices at once. So if your friend's phone starts to drift away into the great beyond, you can bring it back to life with the Patriot Power Cell, all while keeping your own phone fully juiced and ready to go. If you found that some of the homes in your neighborhood have turned out their lights early or run out of candy for the night and your kids still need a sweet fix, that's the perfect time to break out the Survival Sweets Kit. This kit has not just 1 or 2, but 5 different sweets to choose from. Birthday cake bites, brownie dough bites, sweetly coated banana chips, cheesecake bites, and my personal favorite, chocolate chip cookie dough bites. You can snack on these right out of the bag or add them as a perfect topping for some ice cream. There's no doubt that everyone loves these mini desserts. Hey, Halloween is meant to be lighthearted and fun for all, but you still have to think ahead and play it safe while scaring up a good time. And that's why having the right tools and treats ready will help you survive Halloween without screaming like a banshee. What's your favorite trick or treat to survive Halloween? Let us know in the comments. Until our next Survival Mom video, stay spooky and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.